Hey guys, sitting here in the Mach-E, it's making a new noise and I wanted to try to record it and see if anybody had any idea on what it is. So I'm actually recording in the car. I have a wireless mic set up in the wheel well of the driver's side. Hopefully it'll capture this noise. It comes from outside the vehicle and it happens at power up. So here we go. I'm going to power it up. There it was. It went click, 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 click. We'll see if it caught it on the microphone. What do y'all think that noise is? It just started within the last couple days.